Hi, this is Sandy with Needs a Ribbon, and I'm bringing you today is something that I actually shared 2 years ago on a Facebook Live, and unfortunately, Facebook ate the video. I am not joking when I say that. It does not exist, but it is still a product that I really feel I want to share with you. And what it is, it's called well, this is what it looks like. It's the birthday card organizer kit. And it in the US, it is item 161056. The birthday card organizer kit. 161056. And initially, it came with this stamp set also. Well, it was a separate purchase, but it coordinated with it. Making Plan stamp set item 159952. Maybe you can find it on Mercari if you feel it's worth it. I have not used it at all. I have not found it necessary. But again, we're going over the birthday card organizing kit today. And it comes in this cute little box. And because I've already done this video, I'm trying to recreate it a little bit because I feel you should all know about it. I will do my best to do that, kind of aftermarket. I'm going to put the box somewhere out of my reach before I knock stuff over. So here are the instructions that came with the kit. It makes 10, is that right? 10, 1, 2, 3, 12 cards and envelopes, 6 each of 2 designs. And we already put those together, but we're gonna go over the kit a little bit. And actually first, before I dig into that, I think we're gonna just talk about the planner. This is a great planner. And part of why I have not filled out mine, as you will see, is because the video got munched and I wanted to have an unmarked one to share with you. So it comes in this great spiral, and it has, each month has a pocket that you can stick your cards in, and you can write your perpetual birthday people on here, and that's where you can put your name and just some additional doodads. And you see, the colors also are very pretty. Mint macaron, which is now a retired color, crumb cake, and I bet the instructions talk about what colors are in here. Basic black, evening evergreen, petal pink, Sahara sand, and soft succulent. Okay, it was soft succulent. Mint macaron has been gone a while. Soft succulent, which is also was in color, which is now gone. It's close to mint macaron. I wasn't far off. But anyway, you see how you have these great pockets and a perpetual birthday and another pocket on the back. It's hefty. It's not heavy, but it's hefty. It's substantial, and you could even decorate the front. So that is what the organizer looks like. And again, the kit isn't just the organizer. It also comes with, I've already put my cards together and we'll go over the instructions. So we've got these adorable envelopes, and I'm not sure which ones mix and match together anymore. Again, I'm trying to go back in time. So this one actually they had paired with, and I think I liked them the other way better, but with the crumb cake stripe, and these ones went with the soft succulent gingham. Okay, but let's turn to our instructions. And it also came with tear and tape to assemble things. It came with global, obviously in English, in French, in German, and I believe in Dutch, is it? So it's a global kit, so have fun with the languages. It comes with the adhesive, the little sparkles, which I did put on some, I think. I'm not sure. I did use the little doodads. Nope, I didn't use a single one. Sequins. I did not feel the cards need them, and I was concerned that they might chip off. Here's also our, the other language for the other cards. So we will kind of try and work through how to do all this. backwards. Let's go back in time. So we're going to take this one card and we're going to put it aside. And again, the instructions, as I recall, are so easy. I don't think you need my help on this, but we will go over it because I'm that kind of thorough. So initially there was this little fake ribbon crumb cake textured piece, and you were to run tear and tape along the back of that. And again, you're making 6 each of the cards. So you run tear and tape on the back of this piece, okay? And then step 2, and I'm gonna go a little bit faster. Again, you can pause and repeat all this or however you're doing your kit. So step 2, we have a bunch of these, this big floral piece, which was a punch out. I've thrown all that away. You put dimensionals, those little open hexagons mean you put dimensionals behind. The leaf pieces, you put glue dots, those little solid circles mean glue dots. And you put them on however you want. They have their recommended order. I did mine as directed. And then step 3 on that particular card, again, they're very easy. Or you can just take the pieces, have fun with them, and don't do them this way and just use them for something else. But the point is that you get 12 birthday cards along with this binder for $25 in the great storage box. So it also comes with these self-adhesive, again, it's in one of my sheets. That's the It's Your Day. No, I can't. My French teacher, Bouchard, he's probably curling over in his grave. He has passed. Okay, so that's card 1. And again, they had that paired with the crumb cake stripe. So again, really easy. And as I recall, when I did this video, they went together very fast. I think I did them all on camera. I'm not entirely sure because the video is gone from the internet. They say some things don't disappear. Well, this did. I actually had a couple videos that disappeared around that time. I don't know. So this next card, and again, you're welcome to stamp something on the inside, has this self-adhesive piece. So the step 1 was to take this black and white polka dot piece, run some tear and tape along it, and attach that down at a diagonal because you were splitting the polka dots. So you got small polka dot and big polka dot with corresponding colors. And then step 2 was to take this soft succulent, and I believe that was evening evergreen piece, and run some tear and tape along the back of that, and then put that down. And then this is self-adhesive, so just peel that off the backing sheet and plop that down. And again, they go very fast. 6 cards, no time at all. So then, and that they had that paired with the soft succulent gingham envelopes. I kind of like them the opposite, but we're doing this the proper way. So, and again, they come with little rhinestones you could put on there. The card too, you can see that, kind of hard to see, but they put 3 of these little rhinestoney deals. I don't feel that they need them. I think they're cute enough and busy enough without them. I would put those aside and use them for something else. Where did they go in the first one? Oh, they had 1, they're really hard to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 on card 1. Yep, you can barely see them in the instructions. And actually they had 5 on card 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, and then step 3 for your whole planner was to then take and open it up, and then they had the month in soft succulent, and put that wherever you want. I liked it in the corner because it looks like an arrow, and that way it points to this. They placed it in the middle up here, your choice. I liked them kind of pointing to the month, so that's what I did. That's your step 3. Then for our instructions, that just goes over which pieces go with what when you get your kit. And then you can take and fill out I know my daughter's birthday is in here. I could write her name here and I could get my cards ready. You could get your cards ready even a year in advance if you wanted, or a couple months in advance. And I wish this had been around, you know, a year or two before it came out, because I actually bought a spiral perpetual birthday. It's a long skinny thing, and my plan is to transfer all that to this. That way I can get my cards for, it's just a flip easel thing, and I like this better where I have a place to prep my cards and stick them in here. And of course the kit allows you 12 cards ready to go, so you can use those. And when you look at them, that's more for girls. This could go for anyone. This could even be for a kid, any adult, male or female. I mean, it really, that's what they're trying to supply you with, is kind of a universal, you know, 12 cards to get started filling up your perpetual birthday book, or otherwise we call it the card, name has already lost me, birthday card organizer kit. And yeah, and it's really pretty, and you could decorate the outside. You could put like decorate the outside and, you know, put like your name on here or something like that. You know, however, make it personal, make it so it's memorable and you won't forget to use it. And now that I have done this video, I can set mine up after 2 years. And again, this was the stamp set that was an addition to go with it. I don't see a real need for it. I believe this was what came with it. Was that right? Celebration? I'm not entirely sure now. No, this came with something. Oh my gosh. Never mind on this. I know what this came with. That actually goes to a binder. Oh, for crying out loud. So I'm sorry. Ignore that part of the video. I know what it goes with. Not this. But this is, again, for $25, you get the whole very substantial, sturdy, again, it's lightweight, 12 cards and all of that for $25. In the US, again, it is item 161056, and you get all this extra stuff. If you know someone who speaks French or German or Dutch, you could then take and make cards with all these extra ones, or have fun with them, or do something. I don't know. It's your kit. Use it your way. But again, I just wanted to share an easy, great way to keep track of the birthdays and anniversaries. I would include anniversaries and other things that you send cards for in your life. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to encourage me to keep making these. Bye-bye.